Ship components are frequently exposed to marine environments, making them prone to wear and damage. Leveraging its professional technical expertise, Huirui's engineering team has provided wear repair and surface modification solutions for critical ship components to a wide range of clients. Specific application cases include the repair of diesel engine cylinder heads, reinforcement of piston rod bases, repair of drive shafts, plunger rods, pistons, rudders, crankshafts, and turbocharger rotor shafts, among others.